Today I'm going to be unboxing my new 64GB iPhone 11 Product Red Edition. This is a phone I've only recently got as an upgrade to my iPhone 6S that I've had for about 4.5 years now since launch. And it's a much needed upgrade since the other one has gone through 2 battery replacements and the battery's dying again, and just a bunch of other features such as the camera, the screen, and general performance that I'll benefit from with this new phone. Here's the box. So it's just got the red iPhone. Decided to go for the red because I wanted to mix things up a bit, make use of the colours, and I've got a black case with a clear back to match it, one from Spigen that I'll show putting on later. So let's get into it. On the back just have a bunch of info and obviously 64 gigabytes. I'll open up the box. I've got this pull tab here. Take that plastic away, and it should be nice and easy opening this up. Just slide that off, put that to the side. And so here's the phone itself, as you can see, nice and reflective, and it's the red version we have here. So I'll take that out of the box and set it to the side for now. And we'll see what else is in the box. So we have our information just in this little sleeve. So we've got product red, which explains what the product red is for, and your basic quick start guide, SIM eject tool, and of course Apple stickers. So we don't need those, so I'll get rid of those for now. And what else we have in the box is, so we have the smaller Apple power adapter. I think this is just a 5-watt power adapter, so it won't quick charge the phone, but it'll do for normal charging. And then we have the lightning connector earpods from Apple. So these aren't wireless, even though they look like it from the packaging. But these are your basic headphones that come with every iPhone and connect to the lightning port now that the new iPhones don't have headphone jacks. And last but not least is the lightning cable. So this will come in handy. It's always good to have another one of these around. So we'll now get to the phone itself. As you can see, it's got the 2 cameras on the back, red back, red sides, and a black front. And if we just peel off this plastic, it's only on the front now, not on the back anymore. And then you can see the phone in all its glory before I get all my fingerprints over it. So I'm not going to set the phone up in this video, but I might have a later video setting it up. And I'll just quickly show you what it'll look like with the case on. So this is the case I'm going to be using with the iPhone 8 that I've just opened for you. This case is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid, and I've got a black version, which basically has the black borders and then a clear back so you can still see the colour on it. I'll just put it on real quick and we'll see how it looks. So we just pop it in, just be able to slide it in the bottom like this, and then click in the top like that, and there we have it. So as you can see, looks pretty nice with the black and the red. It is a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but that's obviously something you can't really avoid with a phone like this. So that's what the case looks like. A few features on the phone, I guess, that I forgot to mention before. So it has the dual cameras. So one's just a regular camera, and the other one's the ultra wide lens. And so that helps you zoom out a bit more on photos and videos and gives you a wider shot. We've also got the large 6.1 inch screen. It's got Face ID, and it has a bunch of other features that make it an awesome phone. So I'll probably be making more videos on this phone, so look forward to that. Okay, see ya.